Now we are going to use this AI video to make money strategically. I'm going to show you guys. Please pay attention, because if you skip any part of this video, then you will not understand exactly what I'm trying to teach you here. Now with me, this is a video that I made for my own brand, and I'm going to play it. So we're going to watch it together, and you're going to see how you can use this kind of videos to make money on the internet.
Imagine you make 1 naira every minute for a year. Do you know that at the end of the year, you will make 527,000 naira? Funny, right? Do the maths yourself. Now let me show you how to make this possible. You need just 3 things. First, a website. Second,
Okay, so fine. So you've watched the video now, and now let me show you guys, first of all, how to make this video, and then how to make money with the video. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to check for a brand, and then do a similar ad video for that brand, and then send it to the brand. AI videos can be used for advertisements, and some businesses don't have the budget to like pay influencers or pay people, or even have the time to record videos for themselves and then use it to run advertisement. That is where you come in. So when you come into these brands, you make a similar advertisement video that we're about to make right now, and then send it to them, so that they're going to see your expertise, and then they can now employ you and then pay you for your services. Now what you're going to first of all do is to get your script first. So how do you get your script? You have to be strategic about it. This is a flyer I did for Linda's Shops and Drinks, and I'm going to use Linda's Shops and Drinks as an example for this video. Now if you want to learn graphic design also, there's a link under the description for a course, for a graphic design course, and also digital marketing course. Hundreds of digital marketing courses, hundreds of videos of courses and ebooks. If you're interested in that, the link is under the description. It's just 1,000 naira, less than $1. You can access it. You can learn digital, you can learn graphic design if you want. So now let's jump right into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do now, to come to ChatGPT. If you don't know ChatGPT, just come to your browser and type ChatGPT, and then it's going to bring you here. Just register if you don't have an account, or you can also alternatively use your WhatsApp. There's an AI on your WhatsApp, so you can come here. This is Meta AI. Now we are here at ChatGPT. All we have to do is to paste the prompt. So copy the prompt exactly the way it is. Now depending on the kind of business or the brand that you're going to use, so you just change the brand that you want to use here. Everybody has businesses around them. You can use any business for this. Let's say it's a cloth brand, so you can say for my cloth brand, you understand, not baking brand. Or let's say is for a makeup brand, so you can say for my makeup brand, you understand. Then you now put the name here, you now put the name, that is brand name, you now put the actual name for that particular brand that you want to make this video for. So you can see it has generated the whole script for us. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go up to this website called Play HT. It reads this script and then gives you an audio. Just register. So let me just log in. So when you come here, this way is going to show you now. So what you're going to do is just tap on individual. You can just tap on AI, on video, just tap on everything or anything, and then it's going to load. This is how you're going to see it. You can also access this on your mobile phone. You don't necessarily need a system to do this. So now that we are brought here, so what we are going to do is now go and take the scripts that ChatGPT has given us. So what you're going to do is just come here and then copy everything. You're now going to take it to a notepad, any notepad you have. So now that we have pasted it here, what we are going to do is now come and edit this. So let's remove this question mark, and so we can put a full stop here. So we don't need all of this screen narration and stuff. Don't copy it. So you just copy craving something, so you just do some editing, and this, so you can just take this out. Let's take this out, and also this narrating. You have to pay attention to this editing that I'm doing. Take out all this exclamation mark and the rest. So whether it is a celebration, a group snack, fun, okay, Linda's shop has you covered. Our favorite will, okay, will leave you coming back, you understand, for more. Good. So you take out all of these exclamation marks, and then this scene also and narration. Let's take it out. Take it out. Take this out also. Narration, we don't need it. And also all of this, take it out. Good. So let's take this, copy it, and then we're now going to take it, we're now going to paste it here, and you can see we have pasted it here. So now there are 2 paragraphs. This is the first paragraph here, you can see with this box here inside it. Then this is the second one, because for some reason it doesn't permit more than 430 characters. So you can now come here, and then all we're going to simply do is now to play this voice. Now you can literally change the voice, that's the character voice over. So let's say if it's a male voice you want, but now we are dealing with a female voice, and so we can just leave it as Sarah. That's Sarah. So what we're going to do is now tap on this play, and then we're going to hear it. So let's hear it. Let's wait for it to generate. Guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and share also with your friends that might need it. So let's wait for it.
Craving something sweet, or maybe something savory to satisfy your hunger? At Linda's Chops, we're all about bringing you delicious, fresh baked cakes, crispy fries, and mouth-watering meals, all at prices that won't break the bank, whether it's a celebration, a quick snack, or a meal for the family. Linda's Chops has you covered. Our flavors will leave you coming back for more.
So now you can hear exactly. So what we are simply going to do now is now to come here to this. You can see this button and then download. So just tap on it. It's going to automatically download. You can see it here. Now the next thing we are going to do is now go to another website which is called HeyGen. Now at HeyGen, this is where we're going to now get that AI character that you saw. So all we're going to do is just tap on the link under the description of this video. HeyGen is going to take you here. So let's enter with Gmail. So this way is going to bring you here. So all you have to do is just say myself. You can just next step. You can just select whatever and then submit, and it's going to create your account for you. That's simply what you're going to do. You can also access this on your mobile phone, but it's much more better if you use a system to do this. So what you're going to do is to come here to character. So you're going to now scroll down, and then you're now going to select the best character. So this was the person we used, so we can use any other person again. So but you can choose whatever character you want. So let's just use this character. So now you can now select whichever you want. So let us go with one. So we can let's just go with one. And then what you're going to do is to hover here. Then you're now going to choose whether portrait or landscape. So now we're not going to choose portrait for this because we want a vertical kind of video. So what we are now going to do here, pay attention here guys, is now to bring in our audio. Now our audio is a WAV file, so we have to convert it. So what we're going to do is now look for a converter to convert our WAV audio to MP3 converter. So I'm not going to just come to converter, then we're now going to audio converter. What you're going to do is just tap on open file to convert, just select it and then open it. And then when you've opened it, you just come here and then tap on convert, and it's going to automatically convert for you. Then you download it, and then you're now going to go back to HeyGen. What you're simply going to do is come to assets. So when you come to assets, you're now going to upload the audio here. So just tap on upload assets, and then it's going to take you. You're now going to bring the audio and then upload it here when you converted audio. So now you're now going to come here to this editing place and then tap on this here, and then right click on it and delete it because this is a script. So what you're now going to do after doing that is now to come to this plus script, hover around it, and then tap on upload audio. So you're literally going to see this one. So you just tap on it and it's going to automatically upload here. So now what you're simply going to do is just to tap on submit, and it's going to, you're not going to name the video whatever name you want to give it, and then when you now name it, let's just say Linda's, and then you're now going to do submit, and it's going to automatically submit. Now when it submits, you're now going to come to project. So when you come to project, it's going to process and everything. Then after I finish processing, this is it here. So what you're simply going to do now is now to come here and then download the video. So it automatically download to your phone or to your system. Play the video so that you guys are going to see.
Craving something sweet, or maybe something savory to satisfy your hunger? At Linda's Chops, we're all about bringing you delicious, fresh baked cakes, crispy fries, and mouth-watering meals, all at prices that won't break the bank, whether it's a celebration, a quick snack, or a meal for the family. Linda's Chops has you covered. Our flavors will leave you coming back for more.
Now mind you, in HeyGen you have only 3 videos that you can create for the free plan. So if you want to use this HeyGen application now to be creating a lot of other videos, you can now invest in the pricing. You can come here to pricing, and you're not going to see if it's worth investing. So you can just see, you can start with $24. You can just start, and this, if you feel this is worth investing your money, you can invest your money and then use it to be creating videos for people, for businesses, for brands, and there's a lot of other things you can do with HeyGen. Beautiful thing. Now guys, pay attention because this is the key part. This is the most important part. Now we are going to send this video that you've just made to this brand. Now you're strategic about this. See, listen to me well. Now what you're going to do now is to come back to ChatGPT, and this is what you're going to paste now. This is what you're going to do. I made a video ad for a brand and I'm about to send it to them. I want you to write I want you to write me a short pitch to pitch to this to the brand, telling them that I can do more videos for them and add and help increase their brand visibility and bring them more customers, which in return will bring them more sales. Also, tell them that the video is free, but if they want to support with something little, I won't mind. You understand? I won't mind, but all I want is for them to post the video and then refer you. You understand, ba? Refer you to other of their friends, other of their business people. Now, this is strategy. This is strategy that you're following, guys. To make money on the internet is strategy. It's not just to be clicking links anyhow. Good. So what you're going to do now is now let's see the short pitch that ChatGPT is going to bring out for us. Let's wait for it. Guys, if you're getting value from this video, like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe. So ChatGPT has written for us a very short pitch that we can send it with the video, but it's still too long, so we cannot tap on make it shorter. It has made it shorter. Now we can now take this as a very beautiful pitch. We can now put the brand name here. Is simply what you can do. We can just copy this here, copy it like this, and then we now copy it. So this is what we are going to now add it together when we are sending Linda the video. So what we're going to do is now to just paste it here and then just make some edits. So best, now put your name here. This is where you're going to put your name. So now what you're going to simply do now is now to attach the video that you created for the brand. Do you understand? You attach the video. So you now do let's go to download. This should be on download. So Linda sample. So this video we did. So you're now going to send it to her. Guys, you can do this literally with your phone. You don't need a system. You don't necessarily need a system to do exactly what I've shown you guys, but it's more effective if you do with a system. So now all you're simply going to do is just send it to her. So you're now going to do send. Simple. That is how you pitch businesses. That is how you do certain things. You strategically do certain things, offer something to people. You only use tools to make life better, to advance people's life. That's what you do with tools. But actually, if you're not advancing anybody's life, you can't literally make a lot of money on the internet. I hope this video made sense to you guys. So you send it to the business. You can do it a lot to a lot of businesses and send it. And guys, keep on doing this. You're going to get one business that is going to be happy about what you have done, and that business is going to give you something, and that business is going to post what you have done, and then other people can see what you have done, and then they will love it, and then they are going to contact you. Then you can now charge for these things. It's very, very simple, guys. This, you just need to work, you just need to put in the work, you just need to be strategic. Use these AI tools that I've shown you guys. All the link is going to be on the description, under the description of this video. Do everything, guys, and see you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share with your friends if you got value from it. See you guys in the next one. Peace and bye for now.